Most people believe turning 60 means slowing down, that weaker muscles and fading energy are just a part of life. But what if aging doesn't have to mean losing your spark? Do you ever feel your body slowing down, even when your mind feels sharp? Maybe your knees creak a little when you get out of bed, or that morning's stiffness lingers longer than it used to. These aren't signs of failure, they're signals. Your body is whispering, I just need a different kind of care now. And that's the exciting part, because once you understand the 5 key changes your body naturally goes through after 60, you'll see they aren't roadblocks. They're opportunities to rebuild strength and renew energy in ways you might never have before. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stay strong and healthy, no matter what the calendar says. After 60, one of the first things many adults notice is a quiet loss of strength. Lifting grocery bags feels heavier. Climbing stairs takes just a little more effort. And at the end of the day, even simple chores can leave you unusually tired. That dull heaviness in your legs or the subtle ache in your arms, it's your body whispering that muscle fibers are shrinking. Starting in your 50s, the body produces less of the hormones that keep muscles strong. By 65, you've naturally lost nearly a third of your muscle power unless you actively work to rebuild it. That's why once easy movements like getting up from the couch or bending to tie your shoes start to feel like mini workouts. But here is what most people don't realize. This loss isn't caused by aging alone. It's accelerated by small, everyday habits. Too much sitting, too little protein, and not enough movement that challenges the muscles. The good news? The body never truly forgets how to grow stronger. Even in your 70s, your muscle cells can still wake up and rebuild. When you feed them the right nutrients and give them gentle but consistent activity, they respond fast. After just a few weeks of small changes, the same stairs that left you winded can start to feel easy again. And this is where most people make the mistake that slows their progress. You might have noticed it. Your favorite foods seem to stick more easily than before. You're eating about the same, but somehow the scale keeps creeping up. For many adults over 60, this isn't just about calories. It's about your metabolism quietly slowing down. The same meal that once gave you energy now makes you want to nap. Picture finishing a warm, satisfying dinner, maybe soft rice or buttery toast, and instead of feeling refueled, there's a dull heaviness and a wave of sluggishness. That's your metabolism whispering, I need a little help here. Scientists explain that after 60, the body naturally loses some of its calorie-burning muscle tissue. Less muscle means fewer internal furnaces, and the food that once powered you through the day now lingers as stored energy. But here's the good news. Your metabolism isn't broken. It's just slowed down, waiting to be reawakened. Try taking a short walk after meals or sipping a full glass of water mid-morning to restart that inner engine. Even light movement helps blood flow and oxygen delivery, giving every cell a renewed spark. Because the third inevitable change after 60 might surprise you even more, and it's one most people overlook until it starts affecting balance and mobility. For many adults over 60, small daily motions start to feel uncertain. You might notice it when stepping off a curb or standing from the couch. That soft pop in your knees, that split-second pause before you steady yourself. It's your body whispering a reminder. Your joints need movement to stay alive. Inside those joints, something quiet but important happens with age. The smooth, cushiony cartilage that once kept everything gliding starts to thin out. Think of it like a sponge that slowly dries without motion. It loses its bounce, its flexibility. And without that gentle movement to keep it nourished, every step can feel just a little heavier. But here's the hopeful truth. You can reverse much of this stiffness simply by moving more intentionally. Try slow, circular ankle rolls while seated, or gentle knee bends while holding a counter. Feel the warmth returning as blood begins to flow, feeding your joints the nutrients they've been waiting for. Picture this. A few weeks from now, you stand up without that creak. your legs steadier than they've felt in years. That quiet confidence is already within reach. And coming next is a change that happens deep inside your cells, influencing how your body rebuilds and recovers. After 60, many seniors notice something subtle yet frustrating. Small cuts take longer to heal, workouts leave more soreness, and even mild fatigue seems to linger. It's not weakness, it's biology. Your cells simply aren't repairing themselves as quickly as they once did. Every cell in your body follows a rhythm of damage and renewal, but as we age, that rhythm slows. The mitochondria, those tiny powerhouses inside your cells, don't produce as much energy. It's like the lights in your house dimming one by one. Even simple things like climbing stairs can feel like they demand more effort. Your body's energy doesn't surge like a switch. It glows back to life, slowly but surely. And that's good news because strong cells mean stronger immunity and faster recovery. Scientists now know this repair switch can be reactivated through small, consistent habits, a brisk walk after breakfast, or antioxidant-rich foods like berries and green tea. These micro-actions help your cells wake up again, just like morning light breaking through your curtains. Imagine noticing that your morning stiffness fades faster, or that a long day no longer leaves you drained. That's your body remembering how to heal. And this leads us to the final, most overlooked change of all, one that starts not in your muscles or joints, but in your mind. For many adults over 60, the hardest battles aren't fought in the body, they're fought in the mind. You wake up determined to move more or eat better, but some mornings the spark just isn't there. That quiet voice whispers, "Maybe tomorrow." It's normal. Over time, brain chemistry and hormone levels shift, slightly lowering motivation. The same activity that once felt rewarding might now feel like a chore. But here's the truth. Your mind is just as trainable as your muscles, and it remembers how to bounce back. Start small. A 10-minute walk after breakfast. The warmth of the sun on your face, the steady rhythm of your steps, that's your nervous system coming alive again. Every time you follow through, even on the days you don't feel like it, you're literally rewiring your brain for resilience. The beauty of this stage of life is that growth feels deeper. You're not chasing numbers or appearance, you're chasing freedom. Freedom to walk without fear of falling. Freedom to travel, to laugh, to wake up feeling strong again. And here's the empowering part. When you strengthen your mindset, your body follows. Because the strongest muscles after 60 start in the mind. Getting older doesn't mean slowing down. It means learning to work with your body, not against it. You've seen the 5 inevitable changes after 60, but you've also seen how each one can be softened, even reversed, with small, steady choices. Picture this. You rise from your chair and your legs feel steady. Your joints move freely. Your breath comes easy. That gentle glow of strength? That's your body remembering what it's capable of. The truth is, every day you wait, time keeps moving. But every day you start, progress begins. Your future strength isn't decided by your age, it's built by your actions. So start today. Add that one new habit. Choose the meal that nourishes instead of drains. Take that short walk after lunch. Feel your body waking up again. And here's where I need you. Your story can spark someone else's change. Type 1 in the comments if you're ready to take charge of your health starting today, or 0 if you're still thinking about it. Either way, you're part of this journey. Hit subscribe to join thousands of Zippy Health viewers proving that age is just a number, and strength, vitality, and joy belong to every season of life. Because after 60, it's not about getting old. It's about getting stronger.